So, hey guys, someone wants me to make a game. Why don't you make a video about my character, Fricky the cat? Yeah, I can do that. I'm just questioning myself real fast. Why not make a game of it? First, we have to watch the actual show. So, I'm gonna go type it up. Okay, he's right here. And I'm subscribed from a live stream. Ryan Makeling? Oh. Number blocks? That's an interesting channel topic. We should have to find Fricky the cat. Ooh, season 1 trailer. And then we'll watch episode 1. Let's go watch the trailer.
Hello, I am Fricky the cat.
Okay.
And I have a best friend named Fishy. I am Fishy. And I'm Fricky the cat. Today, we're going to show you the trailer of season 1 of my channel.
Okay.
Wait, have a YouTube channel? No, this is just a trailer. You know, like, it's called, come on, channel's called Heck. It's not. Let's have lots of adventures. Going up everywhere. A frickin' kid and beard of fish. Going everywhere. Frickin' doesn't like water. Fishy does. Don't forget to check out our book. But it is up.
The lyrics are kind of hard to understand. I hope you're watching this. I made this for you.
Where are you going?
Where's you?
That's not your home. I got you. Okay. This is Fricky the cat. Fricky the cat goes fast.
This is enjoyable.
Can weight stuff up to 100 pounds.
Oh, 100 pounds?
I'm Fishy the fish. I love water. And, I love, I don't know. What? Oh, you don't know what you love? I love water. See you next in season 1, episode 1. Bye.
Oh, looks like we have to watch this now. It's 1 minute and 47. It's shorter than the trailer. Shorter than the trailer.
Fricky the cat.
Please make more of these.
And you too.
I heard screaming in the background. Let me hear that again.
I am Fricky the cat.
I heard screaming.
And I am.
Oh my gosh. So I have to make a design off of that.
No, look at it.
Blue shoes.
Come on. Guys, you know me.
A weird shirt. And then an orange cat. Okay. I just got a notification from him. Hi. Cool. Yeah, we're making your thing right now.
Spin the circle like an arrow. Wait, let's see if I can hold the camera.
You can hold the camera. I bet you can weigh up to 1 pound.
No.
Someone is screaming. Please tell me who that is. I'm a Roblox player.
Okay, then. What shall I do?
Okay, I guess I'm just gonna use this basic design. Did you just say something about covering insurance?
What shall I do? It's up my feet very closely just to make sure I don't come in insurance.
I thought he said something about insurance. I don't know.
I have why don't I keep open today?
I don't know. It's a camera. It's almost the end, and we've only seen him in this whole video. I'm still gonna put Fishy in it. I'm giving you what you asked.
No, Fishy, how can I come? I can go over in the next episode. Bye.
episode 5. You.
Wait, Jeff, you actually
What
called
the
the
heck?
cat right there.
I did not mean to tap on that. I meant to go back up. I'm gonna go respond to him. Let's go make a game off of that basic design. I'll go make it like. Oh yeah, by the way, I've been working on that Terraria one. I'll make a video of me doing a little let's play of it. It's pretty fun. So. Platformer. Let's go. We're starting off with the most basic stuff. And I hope I can make this at least decent. I don't want him to be suffering with something bad. Okay, so I'm going to go draw Fricky the cat. Here I go. So, first of all, I'm not going to do any outlining. I think that'd just make it weird. Wait, so I can keep the blue feet. This is one of the weirdest things I've ever done. No, I did not mean to do that. He's not gonna blink. No, no blinkies. Yes, throw that in the trash. There we go. So, yeah, I'm gonna draw this. Okay, so far I have pretty much a naked cat. If you're watching this, I'm a Roblox player. I'm sorry if I completely mess up your character. This is just what I think it looks like. And if I make it better, please tell me. I just gotta... No, I didn't get a response from him. It was just my phone being annoying. There we go. Make the arms. There we go. It's something. Okay. The face. I need to go look at the face. What's the face? Oh yeah, that thing. I'm gonna change the face up. I'm sorry. It's not because the face looks bad. I just can't do it on a 16 by 16. No. No. I'm trying to get the good design. There we go. There we go. Copy, paste. I'm sorry if I am completely messing up your character. I've already said that once. There we go. No. That animation looks terrible. I need to fix it. That looks somewhat better. Let's go test it out in the game. If this is not good, don't scream at me. It's a game. And yes, I do have to work on that. Ooh. Enjoy. Okay, so he/she can walk both ways. I don't know what gender Fricky the cat is, so I guess we'll just have to find out in the comment section. There we go. This looks pretty nice. Okay, so I got the jumping done. I know that you said just for me to make a video where I react to this, but I have different plans. I do the paranormal. Oh, I just noticed. I need to reflect those. This is weird. Okay. We're actually going somewhere with this. There's the music. I like this music because it actually gives the game something. Look at that. What am I supposed to do here? Oh my gosh. Hey, at least I've got something. This is the easiest part, the death animation. First, what we need to do is get rid of all of these frames. We don't need any of them. None of them. Yes. We just need this one. Erase everything. Gravestone. I'm kidding. Gravestone. That's all you need. So copy, paste. If this looks terrible, just to let you know, I want to do this as fast as possible. Oh yeah, the rolling. I have a good idea for that. I need orange. I haven't actually done the rolling thing yet. That's surprising. Usually I do it first. Here we go. Don't mind that weird blue spot. I'll get rid of all the blue. That actually looks decent. How does it? Don't know. Can't answer hard questions like that. Here we go. Now it can actually roll. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Last. Copy, paste, and then no. Copy, paste. Yeah. And now this one. Here we go. We don't need anything there. So I have all the cat animations done. Woo! That doesn't actually look terrible. Look at it. I think the rolling animation is probably the best. It's like Sonic, kind of. And you're also the one who told me to do a Sonic live stream. I can't. YouTube said I can't.
YouTube, I will rip off your spine.
Okay. So, I placed a few coins on accident. We have that animation done. Now all I have to do is fix the background. We need it to look like a couch, because that's the background on every single episode. Which there's only one. Looks like the sky's a poop. And now this needs to look like that already does look like a couch cushion. Oh yeah. One last thing. You don't have many characters, so I can only use 2. You might have bigger plans, but you haven't made an episode in 6 months, so please make more. I think you just stopped. You're just like, this sucks. I'm not going to make any more. Boop. It's a bigger version of the fish. forgot its name. Oh, that looks like a... Oh, no. There we go. Now it doesn't look quite like what it used to look like. Copy, paste, paste, paste. There we go. Huh. Yep. This game is all you need in life, guys. This game is all you need. Here we go. Let's play it. See how it is. Hey. Ugh, dead. Oh, okay. This is the game, guys. You asked for this. You asked for this. So, I really hope you enjoyed this. The animation, though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Especially you, the one who requested this. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Look at that face. Oh, yeah. Look at the face.